If you turn this up, a bunch of parts will fall out the back, so be aware. Pull our op handle back to this position, almost all the way to the rear. Pull it straight out. Set it aside. It's actually got a ball detent right there, and that's a semi-permanent installation. The ball bearing, there's a hole, a spring, and then the ball bearing placed there, and then the ball bearing is thumped, and so it's riveted in. Leave it alone. Don't take it apart. Now, reach in through the bottom. Okay, here's our ejector. Here's our disconnector. Here's our sear. I'm going to take this large torsion spring that fits underneath our sear and pull it back and up from underneath our sear. Now it doesn't have any tension on it anymore. Okay, we've got a large pin right here that goes through our sear, our disconnector, and sear spring. We're going to push it over by hand, tap it over just a little bit. Don't try to drive it out. We're just trying to move it over a little bit, because right next to the spring, right there, is a C-clip. Get your dental pick or your small screwdriver or whatever you're using to remove C-clips with, and pry that sucker up. Pull it right off of there. Set it aside. Now we can continue to take our extractor, make sure our hook is facing towards the breech face. Slide our extractor down into place. Now it can slide back and forth in there. I got to get a little teeny bit of tension on it with its Allen screw prior to final positioning of the extractor. Okay, what you want is you want the extractor flush with the breech face. If it sticks out, that's not good. You're too far. The hook gets too far away from the breech face, and the cartridge case can float a bit. This is the right position. Tighten down your Allen screw. Good and tight. Now double check your extractor. Make sure it has some spring. It does. Turn it on its back, and we're ready to